Pinterest have always made the girls always dress better, and I've been using it for years. So I decided to show you guys how to use Pinterest to always look put together by seeing inspiration on this app and also create it with outfit in your closet. Let's get into it. On Pinterest, I realized that my personal style has greatly improved. And that's one thing about Pinterest. Pinterest is one way to always see your personal style improve because you see people that dresses just like you. And sometimes they dress in a way that inspires you to go rush into your closet and check whether you have pieces similar to it. So that's what we're doing in this video. We're doing some Pinterest outfit ideas that I love, and all these pieces I already have in my closet. Some of them are similar, they're not just copycats, but they look like it. So let's get into this video. Yeah, my name is Magdalene. On this channel is about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And I do believe if you look good, you feel your best. So if you're a returning subscriber, definitely welcome. Always coming to check my videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into the looks that I recreated from Pinterest. About is this look you will see on the inside, either here or here. It depends on what I'm feeling like when I'm editing. So yeah. So the first look is going to be in line with this boho chic, which is something that will make him go crazy lately. And it's not just me. All the girlies are eating up boho chic just because of Chloe, and I know I don't have any piece from Chloe apart from their shopping bag. But yeah, this boho chic look is something I really love. One way, if you know what my videos about how to wear boho, I talk about how lace outfit is very boho, very feminine, very romantic, and that's what boho is basically about, a part of boho. So I have this lace jacket I bought recently, and I tried to style it just the way I saw it in the inside. So this lady is wearing a pair of boots along with her pants. Then she wore a blazer over her own bolo lace top. So I don't have a bolo lace top, but I will have a jacket. So I decided to wear mine as a top. So I turned it backwards and insert it. Then the way she was able to bring out the lace underneath the sleeves of the blazer is something that actually attracted me to the look. So yeah, lately I've been realizing that before you be trying to hide what's inside your sleeve, but these days you just want to bring it out, let everybody see that you're wearing something else, gives the contrast. And that's one thing I actually love. It makes this look very different. Like I love the fact that it's very, very unique and fun. For me, I went with a red lace jacket. That's what I have, which I wore as a top. But she went with an all black look, and I'm loving how it looks. I really, with such spaces, I really did not go for something like that because I don't have something similar in my closet. But I have a button down, not really maxi, but the kind of button down a denim dress I have. It's more like boho chic in the theme of boho feminine. So mine is a maxi at the back, mini in front, so you know it's high low version. But she's wearing a full maxi or maybe a middle length dress, which is wearing inside. So decided to pair it with a brown belt to cinch the waist. But the whole look is just more like a denim dress, belt, then bag and shoes, and that was it. So I decided to go with my own dress, which is more like an high low denim dress. So it's not really a maxi dress. And I don't think I want to wear maxi dress in this case. So anyway, so this is a very simple way to just wear it. So for this look, I said to go with a belt. I think a print belt on it, or maybe a black belt. I can't remember what I styled it with. Then I decided to style it with a belt because she went with a belt. Added my pair of boots, and went for a pair of sunglasses just to elevate the look. And I'm loving how this thing turned out. So normally you would say it's not really maxi, but really they are both denim dresses. They are both button down, and mine, if I should turn the back for you, it's maxi. So anyway, so it's just something similar which I really, really love and enjoy. So yeah, the very simple look, very easy, you know, dress down look. I really would love to have a maxi denim dress, but I don't think it's something I want to really wear in this weather because it's really, really hot right now. But maybe when it's a little bit cooler, I'll think about maybe a rainy day. Yeah, it's really, really it's because I know that this year I've been going denim crazy just because one of the others. For the next look, I was not really sure if I'm going to create a look because I have a dress like she had, which is a more like a mini dress that is also comfortable. It's not so mini that you cannot wear it out, and it's not midi length, so it's more like a mini dress and it's a work dress. So I saw the dress, I was like, okay, something similar I could replace my clothes. She's wearing something like a red dress. Then she wore it with a button down shirt. I'm like, I've not really worn Like when you have a sleeveless dress or something, many people just go for like turtleneck top, or you go for a normal blouse inside it, or even a t-shirt to style it up, just to, like, add a little effort to the styling. But for me, I was like, she was staring into the button down shirt. I was not really sure I really want to do something similar. But anyway, I decided to just try it out. I'm like, where have I been all my life? This is a very nice look that it's. And she wore a button down shirt and she brought out the collar to give it that extra touch to it. The sleeve was the white, but I went with the striped shirt with my green dress. My green dress already has that detail in front of it, but still did not take away from the which I'm loving. And I wore it with the pair of heels. She said to go with the pair of heels, like pink and a pink vanity case. But I'm like, okay, I'm not wearing my vanity case this day. But I think I eventually wore my vanity case too. But it's a brown vanity case from MCM. Which you guys, I love this MCM case from to heaven and back. I really like this MCM case. So yeah, I love how the look turned out. It's very, very simple yet fun. I'm thinking of wearing this look to work. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think it's something like I actually pull off for work? Leave me comments so I can know, because I'm really loving how things turned out, and I really wanted to see if I had belt to it, maybe I'll sit up. I think I added a belt to my own look, and it made it look different and a little bit elevated. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, how do you feel about this look? Do you think body count is the middle shorts and t-shirt vibe? And I've been seeing it a lot. But she's wearing a paper waist Bermuda short. My Bermuda short is not that long, but I'm still on the one for that the way the Bermuda short cuts on her knees. I still like that one. I have something similar, but I want it to be a little bit longer. Given it this way that the same length as a capri, but not the capri vibe of Bermuda short. So I love the way this is looking on a very simple, easy look to pull up. So for me on the inside, you see I'm wearing my suede Bermuda short, which I bought last year when suede was like eating, and like, yes, so let's join the suede trend, and I'm loving how it actually turns out. It's a very simple look. I decided to pair with my brown t-shirt because I think my brown t-shirt or my white t-shirt. My white t-shirt, but this t-shirt is actually a bodysuit. You can just put the clasp together and wear it as a bodysuit. So I wore that with the pants. So I tend to add scarf to mine to just give it that extra touch, because yeah, scarf is one nice accessory that many of us have been sleeping on, and I choose not to sleep on it. So I decided to wear it over my shoulder, and something is giving me more like, let me be on the Caribbean beach, let me be strolling, taking in the hair, that kind of thing. So yeah, I love, it's a very nice. Is the next look, the lady is actually giving us a lessons on how to wear prints, because initially I was like I was going to pair it with my leopard print dress, then maybe a solid base t-shirt. But I realized that this lady is actually wearing a stripe on something like a print, which goes so well together, and they are both muted. They share the same uniform color. And I said, hold up. So I decided to go for the look, just something similar. So I have this leopard print dress I have was more like sort of the brown that's typical of leopard prints. This time around it's black, and I'm loving it. It turns out. So I wore the leopard print dress. I decided to wear it with my stripe shirts that has the same print detail, just to be the same light as what she did, and it's a very, very nice look. And I'm really excited about it. Like, I've not really, you're such that I love prints. You guys can tell I'm a maximalist, but I've not really thought about dressing like that. But I love the way it turned out. But it's a very simple going out look, a very nice vacation vibe look, which I really, really love and enjoy. I like this look, I really do love it a lot. And I'm like, yeah, this is something I can recreate, especially for going out, spending for vacation, especially for vacation, because this is the period where everybody's planning their vacation. This is the period people are going out. So this is the best time to, just be a little bit extra with your vacation vibe. And this look I actually do love if you're going sightseeing and it's a warm environment. The last but not the least look is this particular look. So she's wearing like a sleeveless, or what I call a slip denim middle length dress, which I know I don't have that kind of length of dress, but I have the same style of dress. But mine is a mini dress, so I decided to style the look. So she's going for a very simple look. I didn't replicate the hat, because with the way I styled my look, I have the hat that is more like red, but it wouldn't go so well with the look. So I'm like, okay, let's ditch the hat. So she's wearing this very fancy hat, which I love. It's not a beret, but it's a beret style hat. She wore a turtleneck underneath the look, and wore the dress, a pair of boots. Then she's carrying a dior bag, which I'm like, okay, you're being extra. You should know that you understand your passions. But so me, I decided to go with my mini dress, which is also a sleep style dress, which I love. I always reach for this dress. I wanted to work once and I still would wear it. So it's a very nice mini dress, no effort taking, just throw it on and go. So I wore my leopard print dress, turtleneck top I got from Chick Me. If you guys have not been shopping from Chick Me, what have you been doing? Because like, so this Tottenham top, I said to wear it with my mini dress, which I'm loving item now. So you see, sometimes you just get some elements here, some silhouettes here, as far as they look alike, and you can compare both sides. And they really look alike. Just that she's wearing a maxi or let's say middle length denim dress, and I'm wearing a mini dress. But they have the same style, the same size, and all that. So it's a very simple way to just look at something and draw inspiration from it. So I'm loving how my look turned out. The only difference from this look is she's wearing a hat, which I didn't wear a hat in my own case because I'm like wearing my prince hat along with my prince turtleneck, my leopard print turtleneck top would not really easy. But I was thinking of wearing my cow print bucket hat I had from Zafu for years now, but I'm like, it's not the same style of art, so I can just ditch it. I'm loving how this very thought out. So I think I went for a bag. I can't remember the bag style I added to this look. But she went with her dial saddle bag. But I think the saddle bag that is more like this double saddle. So guys, which of these Pinterest inspired outfits do you love? Which of them do you really enjoy? Let me know in the comment section below. Because I really enjoyed creating these looks for you guys. And I noticed that sometimes I'm just actually going to wear on my day to day when I'm going out. Some of them I'll wear it for work. Some of them I'm going to wear it for my casual outing. And yeah, the outfit of the day is more like a maxi skirt I purchased from New Look, and I'm wearing it. I wear it with my both using a gray anagram boot. Then I went for this cardigan over it. So yeah, it's a very simple look. I'm using it. And yeah, so guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up.